The bearing fit temperature calculator determines the heating temperature required for press-fit assembly of bearings onto shafts. Let's look at the inputs. First, we select the material from the drop-down menu. The options are steel with a thermal expansion coefficient of 11.7 times 10 to the -6 per degree Celsius, aluminum at 23.0, stainless steel at 16.5, bronze at 17.3, and brass at 19.3. For this example, I'm using steel at 11.7. Next, enter the bearing bore diameter in millimeters. This is the inner diameter of your bearing. Then input the shaft diameter in millimeters, the diameter of the shaft where you'll mount the bearing. Finally, room temperature in degrees Celsius defaults to 20, but you can adjust this to match your actual working environment. After clicking Calculate Heating Temperature, the calculator processes these inputs to determine the optimal heating temperature for your bearing. This temperature ensures sufficient thermal expansion of the bearing bore to allow smooth assembly onto the shaft without damage. The results will show you the exact temperature to heat your bearing, accounting for the interference fit between the bearing and shaft, plus the material's thermal expansion properties. This eliminates guesswork in bearing installation. Find the link in the description below.